how do we solve this problem for y sub 1? So this is what we want to get by itself. How do we get this by itself? Well, similar to one of the problems I did in the homework today, and you could go back and watch that instructional video, the first thing is let's try to get rid of this umbrella, which is a radical symbol, so square root specifically. So how do you get rid of it? So opposite of adding and subtracting, opposite of multiplying and dividing, I'm going to square both the sides. Okay, so I have d squared equals, and now why do I square the side? Because the square root and the square root cancel, and I bring down the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. Remember, this problem we're trying to solve for y sub 1. So this is what I want to get by itself. I'm going to do PEMDAS backwards right now. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I'm going to start with adding or subtracting. So I see two different groups here, and I want to get this group by itself because it has the y sub 1. So I'm going to move this to the opposite side. Right now it is positive, so I'm going to subtract the quantity to both sides. And I have d squared minus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. Hi, Naomi.
Hi.
Mommy's working right now. Just give me a second.
Mommy, I look.
You can watch, okay? You watch. Okay, so now I'm trying to get, sorry, you're seeing my face there. So I'm trying to get this by itself. So, okay, what am I going to do next? Well, I got to get rid of the square. No, Naomi. Please be careful, Naomi. Please be careful. Please be careful, Naomi. I need to get rid of the square, so I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Please be careful, okay? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 equals this entire quantity. And then your last step would be, actually two steps remaining, is one to get this by itself. First I'm going to subtract the y sub 2 over, and then you need to divide by -1. Without showing every step, hopefully that does help.